kind of rushed. Alright. So, I have a new, this isn't my food channel, but this is another video I did, alright? I just started eating this. I don't know, I was just fooling around. And whatever. Hold on, I gotta move these out of the way. But anyway, graham cracker. Got these earlier. It's a Liquid Death Mango Chainsaw. Alright, get these both. You already know what's next, alright? You're gonna get a whole entire graham cracker, preferably whole, so you don't make a mess. Next, you're gonna place it down like so. Get your graham cracker. Get your mango chainsaw. Just gonna lightly pour it onto the graham cracker. Make sure not to pour too much and mess it up. Oops. And it will quickly sink in, and it won't go through the holes of the graham cracker. It will just sink in like so and get soggy. Do it like this. That's pretty good. Anyway, please try that out soon. Mango Chainsaw Liquid Death and some just regular old graham crackers. Shit is so good. And it's not sweet at all. Perfectly balance each other out. I'd say a good 8.5 out of 10 or 9 out of 10. I'm gonna say 9 out of 10. That's a pretty good score from me, so please try that out. And the Mango Chainsaw, I haven't tried it with any other Liquid Death. So, just an idea. You can try it, you cannot. Just take risks and try new things. If this is way out of your comfort zone, then that's pretty weird. Because I would think that many people would like that. But anyway, that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Dang, I have this. But yeah. I need to learn how to edit these videos, but whatever. Bye-bye.